Hi, my name is Alicia. I'll be your guide for Unit 25, Part 1, Measuring Instruments. Introduction. Measurement. It is the act or result of quantitative comparison between a predefined standard and an unknown quantity. Instrument. It is a device or mechanism used to determine the present value of a quantity under observation. Classification of instruments. Instruments can be classified as absolute instruments and secondary instruments. Absolute instruments. Absolute instruments indicate the value of the quantity being measured in terms of constant of instruments and its deflection. No comparison with standard instrument is necessary. Example, tangent galvanometer, Rayleigh, current balance. Number two, secondary instruments. The secondary instruments need calibration with respect to the absolute instruments. The secondary instruments determine the value of the quantity being measured from the deflection of the instruments. Calibration is a must for secondary instrument. Without calibration, the deflection obtained is meaningless. Example, ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, etc. Electrical instruments can also be classified as AC instruments, DC instruments, AC or DC instruments. Some electrical instruments can measure only AC quantity. As induction type instruments, some can measure only DC quantity. PMMC instruments. Some can work on both AC and DC, that is, moving iron instruments, dynamometer instruments, etc. Analog or digital instruments. One more way of classifying instrument is analog instrument, digital instruments. Analog information is continuous and stateless function of time. Analog instruments are easy to understand, calibrate, and maintain. Digital information is in form of discrete pulses or steps. Digital instruments have higher resolution, higher readability. Various instruments used in practice. Following instruments used in day-to-day life in order to measure different quantity. Name of the instrument and quantity measured. Voltmeter, AC or DC voltage. Ammeter, AC or DC current. Wattmeter, AC power, that is watt. Energy meter, energy, watt hour. Operation of indicating instruments. For satisfactory operation of any indicating instrument, following three torques must act together properly. Deflecting torque, controlling torque, damping torque. Connection diagrams. Connection diagram of an ammeter. Ammeter is used for the measurement of the current, and ammeter is always connected in series with the load, the current through which is to be measured as shown in figure. Since the resistance offered by an ammeter is very small, its introduction in series with load does not alter the circuit conditions. Connection diagrams. Connection diagram of a voltmeter. A voltmeter is used for the measurement of voltage potential difference. So, it is connected across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. A voltmeter has a high resistance, so it draws very small current. The connection of a voltmeter is shown as figure. Comparison of ammeter and voltmeter. Parameter, ammeter, voltmeter. Quantity measured. Current for ammeter, voltage for voltmeter. Connected in series with load for ammeter, parallel with load for voltmeter. Resistance, low for ammeter, high for voltmeter. Connection diagram, refer to the figures. Hi, my name is Alicia. With this, you complete your 95 Part 1 of Electrician trade. Thank you.